Remember, everybody, when you guys go into a trade, you must have a stop loss. Think about this. If you're able to lose, $100 is your like maximum loss. All right. So if you get into a $500 trade, put in that 20% stop loss. That's $100. Does that make sense? As long as you stay up below 556.50, you're still in business, right? Isn't this the area we all talked about, everybody?
Yeah.
Yep. But I need you to have a tight stop, right? Because SPY is having one of the worst days it's ever had, right? At 1.3%. So I'm looking for a rebound at some point on SPY, right? It usually does not want to stay down 1.5% for a whole day, right? But we'll see. But make sure you have in a stop. Don't sweat it out. That's what your stop's for. Don't move your stop. Allow it to work. Okay. Let it do its thing. But I'm telling all of you right now, this is the no-fly zone. Can everybody see this area? This is all in the middle, isn't it? Yes. Can everybody?
Yes.
So we want to pop here or a drop here. Don't trade in the middle. Here goes SPY here, getting real heavy. See what it's going to do here, though. But I'm telling you, don't be playing with SPY. Don't be diddling in the middle right here. You better be cool. Don't do anything in this level. Wait for a pop or a drop. There's just no sense in trading in this dead zone. Because what is the rule of consolidation, which we are doing now, right? The longer it consolidates, the more it's going to do what?
End up
Pop and
dropping.
drop.
Pop or drop. And the
Yeah.
thing is, it's going to happen so fast because right now what it's doing is it's building up pressure, right? All of this is building up pressure. Eventually, it's just going to either knife drop or it's just going to skyrocket, right? One or the other is going to take over and everybody's going to be like, yay, this is it. And they're all going to jump in. And then and if you're on the wrong side of those tracks, you won't like it. Yeah, no, it's better to just be patient. Wait this out. You see right where it touched again, this exact 556, it touched again, right? It still hasn't made up its mind. It's still sitting here. Apple continuing to bleed out. Apple 2-minute EWO, gang. You guys are great. SPY getting ready to make new low a day. Now it wants to bleed. Now it's heavy. Remember, everybody, on this move, as long as it didn't break above 556.50, we knew we were staying down. This was its channel, and we knew as soon as it broke, we'd get a nice pullback, which we did, right? Now we're in a new channel to the downside, and as long as it stays below 556, you guys are golden to the downside, right? You see how this works? So this is a new channel now. There it goes. Leave it alone, let it work. You guys see what I meant though, right? Because if you were buying in anything in here, you'd be like up, down, up, oh, down, oh, I'm green, I'm not, oh, I made money, I'm not, oh. Yeah, just wait, right? This was the move or this was the move. It's pretty simplistic in that area, right? We'll be buying in the middle and then panicking every time it goes up and down and let it go, man. Wait for a good area. Boom, this was the good area. You knew exactly what to do. You made your money. Bada boom, bada bing.